Mission Lane is a credit card option designed for people who may be building or rebuilding credit, and approval depends on factors like your application information, eligibility, and credit profile. If you want to improve your chances of getting approved for Mission Lane, you'll learn what to prepare before applying, what mistakes can hurt your application, and what to do after approval. The first step is checking your credit profile before applying. Review your credit reports for incorrect accounts, inaccurate payment information, or outdated details that could affect how your application is evaluated. If you find errors, dispute them with the credit bureau reporting the information. A credit report with accurate information gives lenders a clearer view of your financial history. Next, make sure your application information is accurate. Your name, address, income details, and other personal information should match your current records. Incorrect information can create delays or affect the decision process. Review every section before submitting your application. Your current financial situation also matters. Review your monthly income, existing payments, and other financial obligations so you understand your ability to manage a new credit account. Avoid applying for several credit cards at the same time. Multiple applications can make it harder to understand what is affecting your approval chances. If Mission Lane approves your application, focus on responsible account management. Make payments on time, monitor your balance, and keep your account information updated. Building credit is based on consistent habits. A credit card can help create positive history when you manage the account properly. If your Mission Lane application is denied, review the reason provided. The explanation can show whether the issue came from your credit profile, application information, or another eligibility factor. Use that information to decide what needs to improve before applying again. Fixing credit report errors, updating incorrect information, or improving payment habits can help strengthen your profile. The main steps are checking your credit reports, completing your application accurately, understanding your financial situation, and managing the account responsibly after approval. Your next step is to review your credit profile and application details before applying so you can submit complete and accurate information. If this helped you understand how to get approved for Mission Lane, like the video and subscribe for more credit card and credit building guides.